Hello everyone, in this video I am sharing tutorial for 4-leaf clover. It's a very quick and easy project that can be made under 5 to 10 minutes even if you are a beginner. This can be used as keychain, phone charms, bookmark or a bag charm. So let's get started and make these. Here I am using a 4-ply green yarn and a 3 mm hook. So firstly we will start by making a magic ring. Now to make the petals, start by making 4 chains. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we are going to make 2 treble crochet in this magic ring. To make a treble crochet, yarn over twice on your hook, 1 and then once again. Now insert your hook in this magic ring. Now you will see you have 4 loops on the hook, 1, 2, 3 and 4, like this. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on the hook, so yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So this is our first treble crochet. Now once again we are going to make a treble crochet in the same way. So yarn over twice, insert your hook in the magic ring. We have 4 loops on the hook, so yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now 3 loops on the hook, again yarn over and pull through 2 loops, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So we have made our 2 treble crochet. Now again make chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now make a slip stitch in this magic ring. So insert your hook in this ring and make a slip stitch. This is our first petal. This might not look like a petal right now, but trust the process. Now we are going to make 3 more petals in the same way. So once again I am showing you how to make the second petal. So chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now make 2 treble crochet. So yarn over twice, insert your hook in the magic ring, 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 loops on the hook, again yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 2 loops on the hook and again yarn over. Now again make a treble crochet. So yarn over twice, insert your hook in the magic ring, 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over, pull through 2 and once again yarn over, pull through 2. Now we are going to make chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now make a slip stitch into this magic ring. And that way our second petal is also ready. Now in the same way we are going to make 2 more petals. So chain 4, 2 treble crochet, chain 4 and slip stitch. So repeat it 2 times and you will have total 4 petals. So here I have completed making 4 petals and now we are going to make 9 chains. So start making chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we have made 9 chains and now we are going to skip the first chain and make a single crochet into the second chain. Now in rest of the 7 stitches we are going to make a slip stitch into each of these. So make a slip stitch into the next stitch, again a slip stitch and keep repeating it until the end. Now after making the slip stitch in all the 7 chain, make a slip stitch into this magic ring. Now chain 1 and then you see this magic ring yarn, You need to pull it tightly, and you will see it has taken a shape of clover. Now cut the yarn, this longer one, the working yarn, pull it out. Make sure that you close the magic ring tightly so that there is no hole. Pull and stretch the leaves to give it a shape. Now we are going to make knots at the back side with these two yarns. But before making the knot, make sure to pull it tightly so that there is no gap, otherwise it will look like this. So pull it tightly to close the gap and then make knots at the back side. Make sure to make 2 to 3 knots to make it secure. So our 4-leaf clover is ready, and now we need to hide this yarn at the back side. So we need to weave this at the back side. Yarn your needle and hide this at the back side into the stitches. Do same with the second yarn. Now cut the extra yarn and stretch the leaves to give it a shape, and that way our 4-leaf clover is ready. Now you can use it as a phone charm or a back charm or a keychain. So if you want to use it as a keychain, attach a keychain. I hope this was easy to follow. If you try making this, then tag me. My Instagram handle is mentioned below in the description box. And subscribe to my channel for more crochet projects. Happy crocheting and thank you for watching.